Hi Muffins! Welcome to my kitchen and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be sharing my recipe for the best and easiest buttercream frosting. My brother, sister, and I have literally eaten this stuff by the spoonful. I wouldn't suggest doing that, but it's seriously that good. I love this recipe because you can tweak it and make it the perfect texture and consistency for exactly what you need. This buttercream can be used to fill and cover cakes, cupcakes, cookies, pastries, you name it, guys. And the best part is you only need 4 ingredients. So if you guys want to see how I make my buttercream frosting, then please stay tuned.
You will need 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter, 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or whatever flavoring you'd like. Add your butter to a mixing bowl and whisk on high for 4 to 5 minutes. Once your 5 minutes are up, turn the mixer off, scrape down the sides of the bowl, and mix again on high for another minute. Next, you'll add your powdered sugar, about 1 cup at a time on low speed. You may notice that your mixture is a little grainy, so now's the time to add in your heavy cream. And you guessed it, whisk again on high for another minute or 2. At this point, your buttercream should be nice and creamy, which is of course exactly what we want. Now I'm adding in a little pink food coloring because why not? And last but not least, the vanilla extract. And finally, you should end up with this creamy goodness. Believe me when I tell you, this is a crowd pleaser. It's the perfect amount of sweetness and the texture is a dream.
And that's it. That's how I make my buttercream frosting. The full recipe can be found down below in the description box and also on the blog at karrahgermain.com. Please try it out and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so I know you watched. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tutorials. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching, and as always, stay sweet.